How to change your card on PrizePicks. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change our card on PrizePicks. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to change your card on PrizePicks, what are the options that we can take? So first of all, open your browser and go to prizepicks.com, and after you log in, how do you remove or change your card? Now here one of the help article from PrizePicks asks us how do you replace your payment method associated with your PrizePicks account. So you can only remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. And you have to just log into your account and tap the deposit button in the top right corner. Once you're on the page, you should see a trash icon and you can click the icon to remove a payment method or remove the card or change the card. And remember that you may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. And for security reasons, PayPal and Venmo accounts may not be removed. And this way you'll be able to remove or replace your payment method associated with your PrizePicks account. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.